This is my favorite episode. Oh, I know that face, but from where? Who is this? Okay, let's give Starlens a shot. Starlens.ai is your go-to app when you know the face, but can't place the name. Identify actors instantly, discover their best films, and make your upcoming movie night legendary. Was he in this movie? I was able to find all 3 of my favorite actors. Starlens.ai. Know your stars. Visit Starlens now.
This is how we walk in Toronto. Snow, snow, snow. You guys, you know the tea I got is already cold. Like I got hot tea before I left, and I've just walked just like 5-10 minutes, not even up to 10 minutes, just like 5 minutes, and my tea is cold. That's to show you how cold the weather is. Like it's already so cold. This tea is cold. Not be small thing. Oh, we are surviving. That's the most important thing. God is helping us. God is helping us. That's the most important thing. Because it's really cold.